Hello guys, welcome back to William's channel, and today we're going to show you how to build a paper airplane. So first what you need to do is grab any paper you like and fold it like this. And then you fold it back out, and when you can see the line, fold it right here. See guys? Fold it right there and then fold it right until here, until the line that you see. Then do the other side too. And then straighten it up, and then you pull this part and you tip it like that. And you tip the other side, and then you fold this side until it looks like a Virgin Amana, which is my house. And then you fold it like this. Fold it like this. And then you have your paper airplane. Well, this isn't exactly the paper airplane. I'll show you the paper airplane I made. See it? This is what it's supposed to look like. Now it's time to fly. Okay, it's time to fly. Now it's time to fly.
You got like 3 feet of air that time.
Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.